Okay, so I need to make my character symmetrical in Nomad Sculpt. How do I do it? Well, it's very simple. So, reminder, you want your characters to be symmetrical as often as you can because rigging a symmetrical character is much easier than an asymmetrical one. So, with that in mind, I go up to the symmetry option and you select the plane that you want the symmetry to be in. I actually want it in the X plane, so that's correct, but here are the other planes. And you can select more than one and have symmetry in multiple planes, but that's not what I want. So I just make sure X is selected. Um, Going to method, local or world. This character happens to be in the center of the world space, so both will have the same result for me. But if your character is not completely centered or whatever you want symmetry in isn't centered, you may want to use local world space. Or if you want it to be symmetrical within the world space, select world. And if you don't know and you just want to test it out and then undo it if it's wrong, that's fine too. And I recommend doing that. You can always undo. So then mirroring, make sure that you've got the right side select. So I want to mirror the left to the right. So I'm going to select the right here rather than the left arrows. And then I'm just going to select split and mirror new topology. And bada bing, bada boom, all done. So that's basically it. Now, when I work on this character, I want to make sure symmetry is always selected. So that's this button here. So if I do some clay sculpting, it remains symmetrical. But if it ever becomes asymmetrical, I can always just redo the steps I did and have a symmetrical character again. So that's it. I hope this helped. Symmetry is so important in 3D, so I hope you find this useful.